Welcome back and thanks for watching. On this video, I'm going to show you guys the spots we hit up when we visited Maui's #1 attraction, the road to Hana. But before we start, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. A few things that you're going to want to bring with you are going to be a GoPro, water shoes, cash because some people only take cash, sunscreen, swim gear, and if you could at all possible, rent a Jeep. Alright, hold on a second. Before we start this journey through 64 miles of windy roads, here are a few things we recommend. So let's rewind a bit. Start early. You want to avoid the traffic, you want to avoid the crowds. So if you start before sunrise, you're definitely getting a head start on most of the people getting there.
Mambo's here.
We saw a spot called Mambo's and we immediately stopped there since they had the same name as our restaurant back home. So why not give them a shot? Mambo's didn't disappoint. I mean, how could they? Not only do they have a great name, but they have amazing food. We both had breakfast and honestly, it was a perfect meal to get the day started. Now let's get the show on the road. Just to show you how long it takes to get the first stop, I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit. There are several stops along the way, but for a detailed list of more suggested stops, click the link below and visit our travel site. For the sake of this video, we're gonna keep it to about 4 to 5 stops. Starting out with Twin Falls, which is right at the start, but it's gonna take you about 10 minutes to get there, so don't freak out if you don't see anything for a while. Make sure you plan ahead your stops before you start the trip so you're not losing valuable daylight. As you can see, the roads are narrow. If you feel people are right behind you and rushing you, just pull over to the side and let them pass. This is a must stop. Go ahead and buy yourself a loaf of banana nut bread. Trust me, you won't regret it. One loaf is good enough for 2 people to munch on, and for the most part, anything on the road to Hana is cash only, so make sure you bring enough cash with you.
Woo. Oh. Ah, yeah. This is cold. Oh. Yeah. Oh, but it feels good now. So here I am, mile marker 22. Not sure what the name is, but there's a beautiful fall right behind me. This water is ice cold, and I'm about to go in.
Pua'a State Park. Not sure if I said it correctly, but it was probably one of my favorite stops. We were able to get in the water and swim to the fall. Mind you, we went in July and the water was freezing cold. Nahiku Marketplace. There are tons of great food options. We had tacos and dogs. As mentioned before, make sure to bring enough cash with you. Also keep in mind this is one of the few stops with an actual bathroom.
Alright, scripts, man.
Nice.
Waianapanapa, also known as Black Sand Beach. It's a nice little walk from the parking lot to the beach. Make sure you bring your sandals or water shoes and bring some towels as you might want to lay out.
You gotta. Oh boy! You gotta dive under. Go under. Go under. Right now. Under.
The water can be a bit rough, but as long as you're close to the shore, it should be pretty safe. This was definitely one of our favorite stops. We took over an hour and a half here. Koki Beach, otherwise known as Red Sand Beach. The spot is perfect for pictures and just to relax, perhaps have a picnic.
Beautiful.
Currents can be a bit strong, so try not to get in the water unless you're an expert swimmer. You'll see surfers here as this spot is prime for locals and surfers.
Look at the surfer.
Like these 6 stops I just mentioned, there are so many others on the road to Hana. Feel free to stop anywhere and take in the moment, make it your special spot. Luckily I brought my drone and was able to capture a few of these great waterfalls. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one.